Barcelona, guys, after sweating like a pig in the metro to finally get here. I arrived in Alexa's flat and it's beautiful. She's so lucky to be here. And I'm also so happy to finally
So happy to have you here.
So sad that she's out of Germany for a few months. So yeah. This is just my first visit and I will come another time. I don't know yet what this is going to be. Maybe it will be a food vlog, a food diary. Maybe it will just be like a Barcelona vlog kind of video. We will see. But I will take you with me or with us. Look at this view. Morning from Barcelona, guys. I'm in Alexa's flat. Still it is past 1 p.m. and I haven't left the house because I've been editing my last vlog until now. But now I'm going to have to leave the house because Alexa doesn't have any fresh fruit here. So I'm going to check out the local fruit market, or basically whatever I find down the street, and see if they have fresh figs or anything local, because I love fruit, as you guys know. So let's hunt for some fruit. This is what I've been working on until now. It's my last vlog. Actually, this one will be up by the time this video is up, so yeah. I'm just so happy because it takes so long to edit. I'm in heaven, guys. I bought half a watermelon for 75 cents and it's part of fruit. I'm going to show you in a minute. So happy. This is fruit fairy heaven.
And I'm feeling free. It's crazy how everyone lives up like that.
We finally left the house after Alexa was in uni and learned some Catalan. Yeah, right? And now we are both hungry. Are you hungry?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm hungry again. It's 4 p.m. A very weird time, but it's the only way for us to eat at a restaurant.
Also,
it's either before 5 or after 8.
Yeah, that's just Spanish eating
Spanish culture. So we're going to have a late lunch at Poke.
We are at Pokesi, my favorite poke bowl bar here, and I'm gonna show you.
Rabano, radish, brotes de soja,
Sprouts, rice sprouts.
yes, yes, soy sprouts, yes, chili. No, I think one is enough. Either kimchi or chili, or it will be too much. After taking pictures for half an hour, it's finally time to eat. So here's your bowl, Alexa. And here's my bowl. Yum yum. Quick kombucha stop at Flax and Kale. What have you got there?
Spirulina kombucha.
Nice.
But the juice was
I have a spicy chai kombucha. Can't wait to try this. Where are we?
at my favorite vintage store.
Okay.
It's called Nevermind.
Okay, nice.
With a break on it, crying, and a telephone. And she used to call me on my self. I don't believe in humans. Me.
Yoga session where we were 1 hour late. 1 hour late! So typically us. Like,
it's so changed.
But anyways, yeah. It was really dark, so I couldn't show you much. Good morning from beautiful Barcelona. There you can see Barcelona. Yes, there you can see. basically my camera died last night, so I couldn't finish the vlog. But what we did was we went to a yoga class. It was really nice. We had a meditation afterwards, and then we went to the city. Alexa got the snack, and we just sat there and enjoyed the city by night. So yeah, that's what we did. And today it's already past noon, and I've been chilling all day and catching up on some work. So I think we might go to some photo spots. Behind the scenes moment, this is our camera, actually Alexa's camera, I have the same one, and a Joby tripod, and we took pictures there on the sofa. We just found it coincidentally, and it's so cool, oh my god. How did they turn out?
They turned out so beautiful.
Okay, you will see on Alexa's account or my account. Yeah, love this tripod.
So Laura just came back from a fruit shopping morning, and we're gonna see what she bought. Yay!
Check this out. I bought so much fruit, but I couldn't resist. It's so epic here. Yep.
So this is what you can get in Barcelona, Spain.
Yes, a lot of plastic, but yeah, I couldn't resist. Okay, a big papaya. We're going to kill
so
this today.
Juicy.
Yes, this is going to be killed first.
Yes.
Then
can't wait.
Figs, baby peas or beans. I think it's baby peas.
Oh, they look like they're sprouted.
Oh yeah, might be it was sprouted. That makes them even healthier.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Young peas, you can eat them raw. And then more figs.
Escalation.
I picked the juiciest. Check them out.
Ooh. Figs here are so juicy.
Oh,
ripe.
Look at this. This is crazy. Okay, and then look at these persimmons. Oh my god.
Ooh.
I wish you guys could touch them. They're so soft.
Let me feel. So squishy.
Yes, so juicy. And then for tomorrow, for the plane flight, I got this. I couldn't resist. Usually I don't buy this stuff, but I thought tomorrow I don't have another opportunity to buy healthy food, so this is like the best I could get.
Ooh, such an epic fruit salad.
And nothing makes me feel better than a just fruit lunch. So
Yeah.
it's going to be my lunch tomorrow.
Perfect.
Yay.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul, I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life, you'll see it clear. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your hard-earned temptation, 'cause I know that you'll make it on your own.
episode in Barcelona. I hope you guys like this video. Let me know in the comments if you like these travel kind of vlog kind of videos. And until then, see you in the next video. Bye guys!